Hello students, welcome to another lesson. In today's lesson, we will focus on the participle and the participial phrase. Let's begin. What is the participle? The participle is a verb form that functions as an adjective, but if it is accompanied by a helping verb, it is a part of a verb phrase and not an adjective. The participle can be in the present form when it ends with an ing, like in the verbs walk, walking, eat, eating, drink, drinking, and so on. It can be in the past form, like asked, seen, bought, caught, and so on. Before leaving this point, make sure that you understand the difference between the two cases of the participle. Helping verb plus a participle is a verb phrase. Participle without a helping verb is an adjective. That's all what we need to know about the participle. Let's move to another point. The participial phrase. It is a group of words without a subject and its verb. It starts with a participle and contains any complements or modifiers. For example, number 1, removing his coat. Removing is a participle. His coat is an object, and the entire phrase is an adjective that must modify the noun which is next to it, be separated from the rest of its sentence by a comma. So removing his coat, comma, Jack rushed to the river bank. Removing his coat is a participle phrase which describes the noun Jack. Who removed his coat? Jack did. So the whole phrase acts as an adjective. Example number 2. Realizing he was going to fail the exam, comma, Jack hired a tutor. Now in this example, realizing he was going to fail the exam is describing Jack. Who realized he would fail the exam? Jack did. The phrase acts as an adjective describing Jack. Realize that by removing the phrase from the sentence still makes sense because it's an adjective, and adjectives give extra information about the nouns. Number 3, finding the history lesson difficult, comma, Mike asked Miss Pat for help. Can you find the participial phrase? Yes, finding the history lesson difficult. Can you assign the noun that it modifies? Ask yourself this question. Who found the history lesson difficult? Yes, it's Mike. Number 4. Which choice can sensibly fill in the blanks? Left alone in the house, comma, blank. A. The thunderstorm terrified Tom. B. Tom was terrified by the thunderstorm. To answer this question, ask yourself, who was left alone in the house? Tom or the thunderstorm? Yeah, sure, it's Tom. So the correct answer is number B. The last one is left for you. Absorbed in an interesting discussion, comma, blank. We found that the time passed quickly. That's all for today. Make sure to go back and review the parts of the video that you didn't understand. And if you have questions or comments, leave them below and I will make sure to answer them. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and follow our page on Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.